step number 3. We want to develop great systems and processes. I want you to start understanding the word SOP, Standard Operating Procedure. You've got to make sure in your business that every task, every job, every department has an SOP to underpin what actually goes down. If not, just delivering tasks or instructions verbally usually creates confusion across the company. People forget, they don't do it as you expected them to do it. So you want to get locked in on the standard operating procedures. You've got to back everything up with an operating manual departmentally and company-wide. Just simple basics that many businesses don't have. I want you to lock in on making sure everybody's got a clear job title, making sure everybody's clear on their roles and responsibilities, making sure everybody understands what's expected of them, what are their KPIs, making sure everybody can report back to you on those KPIs so you are able to assess that they are doing the job and delivering on what the company expectations are. You need to have an org chart that outlines who's doing what department, overseeing what role. You need to have an accountability chart to be able to outline all of these tasks, and you need to get your company structure on lock. You don't want to be running a business as a sole trader. You want to be running a limited company, a separate legal entity that you can trade in, and it has many benefits of risk and tax, can issue shares, and you can sell shares and so on and so forth. And you need to build credit in this limited liability company, this legal entity, as you continue to trade and scale. So the sooner that you do it, the better it's going to be for you, and it offers you ultimate protection. And then finally, you want to make sure you've got a great CRM system that is going to allow you to track, manage, organize your data and all of your jobs. We have a CRM system that you can invest in called Trade Portal. If you would like to find out more, please speak to your dedicated customer account manager.